Hey there, seekers of wisdom. Have you ever felt like you are missing out on the true potential of your life? Well, stick around because in this video, we are diving into Chapter 6 of the Bhagavad Gita, a guide that can truly transform your life. By the end of this video, you'll uncover powerful techniques to master your mind, elevate your spirit, and achieve a state of inner peace that you've always dreamed of. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Chapter 6 of the Bhagavad Gita, known as the Dhyana Yoga or the Yoga of Meditation, is all about self-mastery and the power of disciplined practice. It teaches us how to control our minds and emotions, leading to a balanced and harmonious life. The power of meditation. Meditation is at the heart of this chapter. Lord Krishna emphasizes that through consistent meditation, we can quiet the chaos within our minds and connect with our true selves. Imagine being able to face any challenge with a calm and focused mind. Krishna says, one should lift oneself by one's own mind and not degrade oneself. This means we have the power to elevate our consciousness and reach higher states of awareness. The practice of self-discipline. Self-discipline is another key theme. Krishna advises us to adopt a balanced lifestyle, regular routines, healthy habits, and moderation in all things. He says, yoga is not for one who eats too much or too little, nor for one who sleeps too much or too little. Balance is the key. Think about how much more productive and happy you could be by just finding that perfect balance in your daily life. The ultimate goal is self-realization. The ultimate goal of Chapter 6 is self-realization. By mastering our minds and living a disciplined life, we can achieve a state of enlightenment where we understand our true nature and our connection to the universe. Krishna assures us that even a little progress on this path can protect us from great fear and bring immense peace. Imagine living without fear, with a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment. So, there you have it, Chapter 6 of the Bhagavad Gita offers profound wisdom to transform your life. By embracing meditation, self-discipline, and striving for self-realization, you can unlock your true potential and live a life of balance and peace. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more enlightening content, and share it with anyone who needs a little inspiration. And remember, the journey to self-mastery starts with a single step. Start yours today. Thanks for watching. Keep striving for inner peace and self-mastery. Until next time, stay blessed and stay inspired. Dash.